Why your
So
LCD
what do
module
we
doesn't
have
display?
here? This is an Arduino Nano and an LCD screen, a 16:2, connected through an I2C module. So I've got everything connected correctly and have uploaded my code correctly. You can see done uploading, and yet I cannot see anything displayed on the screen, and I'm wondering what could be the issue here. Could it be my connections? I've done it right, I'm very sure, and my code is all complete and correct, and yet I cannot see anything. I begin to wonder, should I go back to the manufacturers and complain? But no, if you ever have this issue, I've gotten a solution for you. So what you gotta do here is, don't worry, just turn behind the whole setup. You will see this blue thing here. It's a kind of a potentiometer that you can use to vary the contrast of the screen. Your code is in there. Your display, whatever it is that you want to show, is in there. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to vary it. I'm turning it. You can see that. Let me reverse it backward. It's faded. It's coming back up. So when I keep twisting, I'm twisting clockwise, and then you can see the contrast is too much. Let me set it to something that is more convenient. So at this value is okay. So you can see that we're here now. Hello world, Beat Tech Live. So I just hope this video saved you a lot of trouble, and stay tuned to the channel for more of these short solutions to things like that. And thank you, and see you next time.